this tutorial, I will guide you on how to check your TNM bundle balance. So I'll show you to check your TNM Internet bundle, and also I'll show you on how to check other bundles. So here I'm in a TNM website for Malawi, which is www.tnm.co.mw. So to check your internet bundle, just go to the general knowledge panel for the frequent asked questions. Now to start with checking your internet bundles. To check your internet bundle, you just need to dial *202# and then follow the instruction. Alternatively, which is option 2, you can use the TNM Smart app, which you can download it through Play Store or App Store. So if you haven't started using this app, make sure you use it. It is very simple. Just download it, TNM Smart app, and it will show you all your internet bundle. Other bundles, you can also check them through by dialing #123#, then you will receive a text message showing all your bundle balances. So just dial #, I think it is star, not hash. So just *123#, then you will receive a text message showing all your bundle balances. Also, you can dial *100# and choose option 1, my account, then choose 2, my balance. Other bundle balances can also be checked by using the TNM Smart app from the Google Play Store or App Store. So thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.